Okay, so I got the cash register up to the house. Decided to go ahead and do a video on it. And I can already tell, sorry, the cord to this phone is all hung up in the chair. Anyway, I decided to bring it up, go ahead and do a video on it of me cleaning it out. So that's what I'm going to do. This thing, I can tell, is going to be one of the biggest projects I've ever done in my life. Because as you can see, the whole thing is full of dirt, which is why I brought my 16-gallon wet dry vac in. So yeah, here's the NCR National Cash Register. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on cleaning it out with the shop vac. Enjoy. Okay, sorry for the pausing of the video. As we can see, it's fairly rusty inside, but I'm not giving up. It's rather dirty, so yeah, it's going to be one of the pain in the asses. And I can only imagine how much sand and clumps of clay are in my shop vac tank. So yeah, it's going to be a major project for sure. Got quite a bit of rust in it. These little gates on the side actually open up with hinges, so it's not a total lost cause at opening it up. See if I can get this one open. And yes, this is a switchblade. I'm going to do that with a screwdriver, because I don't want to damage my knife. I'll go and get one. And like I said, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Because look at all the rust and all parts falling out. It's definitely gonna be one of the biggest jobs I've ever done. All locked up. I'm gonna try and fill it up with some kind of, I don't know, maybe some kind of lubricant, because I can't even find the motor in this thing, and it is electric. A lot of froze up parts. And here are some of the parts that fell out. This little switch thing, it's going to be a pain in the ass. I'm going to have to find some way to repair it, because I'm not giving up on this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to have to bang this back into shape. I'm going to try and take the cover and stuff off so I can get to the machine easier, which is gonna be a chore because the thing is so bad. So I hope y'all enjoyed part 1 of National Cash Register repair. So, until next time.